In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a letter tile printable using Microsoft Word. Letter tiles are incredibly useful for classroom activities, educational games, spelling exercises, and creative learning materials. By designing your own printable letter tiles in Microsoft Word, you can easily customize their size, style, and layout to match your needs. The process is simple, and once you understand the basics, you'll be able to create reusable printables in just a few minutes. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Starting with a clean document ensures that you have full control over the layout and spacing of your tiles. Once the document opens, the next step is to create a grid that will hold each letter tile. This is typically done using a table because tables allow you to divide the page into evenly spaced boxes that will serve as individual tiles. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Inside this tab, locate the Table option. Click on it and choose the number of rows and columns you want for your grid. The number you select will depend on how many tiles you want to print on one page. For example, choosing several rows and columns will create a full page of evenly spaced boxes that can each hold a letter. After the table appears in your document, the next step is adjusting the size of the cells so that each one looks like a square tile. Click inside the table and drag the borders to resize the cells until they appear evenly shaped. Keeping the tiles square helps them look neat and consistent once they are printed and cut out. Now it's time to add the letters. Click inside the first cell of the table and type a letter. After typing the letter, highlight it and increase the font size from the Home tab so the letter fills most of the tile. This makes the letters easier to read once they are printed. You can also change the font style if you want the tiles to have a more playful or classroom-friendly appearance. To improve the layout, center the letter both horizontally and vertically within the cell. This ensures the letter sits neatly in the middle of each tile. Once you finish formatting the first tile, repeat the process in the remaining cells until each box contains the letter you want. As you continue filling in the table, you can create a complete alphabet set or customize the letters depending on the activity you're preparing. When everything looks correct, take a moment to review the spacing and alignment to make sure the tiles appear balanced across the page. When you're satisfied with the design, save your document and print the page. After printing, simply cut along the table lines to separate each tile. You'll now have a set of printable letter tiles ready for games, lessons, or creative projects. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.